Our beloved Earth, a jewel in the vast cosmos, is slowly dying. A bitter pill to swallow, but a reality we must face. Our home, the cradle of life as we know it, is under great duress. Climate change, a silent yet relentless predator, is altering our ecosystems. The polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, and our seas are rising, swallowing up coastal communities in their relentless surge. Deforestation is another grim reaper, stripping the earth of its green lungs. Rainforests, once teeming with life, now stand as barren landscapes, their inhabitants left homeless. Pollution too is a silent killer, tainting our air, our water, and our soil, making them hostile to life. And let's not forget the extinction of various species. Our actions are driving countless creatures to the brink, disrupting the delicate balance of biodiversity. These daunting challenges compel us to look beyond our pale blue dot for potential habitable planets. Imagine a world 39 light-years away, TRAPPIST-1e, a rocky planet in the Goldilocks zone. And so we venture into the cosmos, to a place where the light from our own sun takes nearly 4 decades to reach. This is TRAPPIST-1e, a world that could potentially be our new home. What makes it special? It sits comfortably in the habitable zone of its star, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. This zone, often nicknamed the Goldilocks zone, is crucial in our search for life beyond Earth. TRAPPIST-1e orbits a cool, dim, ultra-compact dwarf star named TRAPPIST-1. This star is so small and so cool that it gives the planet a chance to hold onto its atmosphere, to possibly cradle oceans of water, and maybe, just maybe, to harbor life. What about the planet itself? It's a rocky world, much like our own Earth. This is important because it means there's a solid surface beneath our feet, unlike the gas giants of our own solar system. In terms of size, TRAPPIST-1e is only slightly bigger than Earth, which bodes well for its potential habitability. But here's where things get really interesting. There's potential for water on TRAPPIST-1e. Not just a little bit, but possibly a lot. Scientists believe that the planet's close proximity to its cool star, combined with its rocky nature, could allow vast amounts of water to exist. This is exciting, because where there's water, there's the possibility of life as we know it. While we're yet to confirm the presence of water or life on TRAPPIST-1e, this planet, nestled in the Goldilocks zone of its star, offers a tantalizing possibility. A new hope, if you will, in our quest to find a second Earth. While TRAPPIST-1e offers a glimmer of hope, it's just one of the celestial bodies we've set our sights on. Next stop, Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to us, a mere 4.2 light-years away. Nestled in the gravitational hug of its parent star, Proxima Centauri, this exoplanet is a tantalizing cosmic neighbor. Let's talk specifics. Proxima Centauri b is roughly 1.27 times the size of our own home, Earth. It's a rocky world, much like our own, but that's where the similarities end. It's tidally locked, meaning one side is always facing its star, bathing in constant sunlight, while the other side is perpetually cloaked in darkness. The intriguing part about Proxima Centauri b is its potential for water. It resides within the habitable zone of its star, the Goldilocks region, where conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. Imagine that, a neighbor with the potential for oceans, rivers, perhaps even life. However, the proximity of Proxima Centauri b to its parent star isn't without its challenges. The star is a red dwarf, smaller and cooler than our sun, but it's known to be quite the firecracker. It frequently emits powerful flares, which could strip away the planet's atmosphere over time, making the surface conditions rather harsh. Yet despite these challenges, the potential for life on Proxima Centauri b remains. It's a place where extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, could possibly exist. Think of it as a cosmic test for life's resilience. And let's not forget, this exoplanet is our closest neighbor, a fact that makes it an attractive target for future exploration. Scientists are keen to learn more about this intriguing world, and missions are being planned to probe its mysteries. So, we have Proxima Centauri b, a tantalizing prospect, yet it's not our only option. Finally, we journey to Kepler 442b, a super-Earth 1,200 light-years away. This far-off world, nestled in the constellation of Lyra, is a tantalizing prospect for future human habitation. Kepler 442b is a heavyweight contender in the universe's pantheon of planets. It's about 1/3 larger than our home planet, earning it the title of Super Earth. But size isn't everything, and Kepler 442b is more than just a celestial heavyweight. Its mass indicates that it's likely a rocky planet, much like Earth, rather than a gas giant. The planet's position in its solar system is another cause for excitement. It orbits its star in what astronomers call the Goldilocks zone. This is the area around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist. And as we know, where there's water, there's the potential for life. But before we pack our bags for Kepler 442b, it's important to address the elephant in the room: distance. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us 1,200 years to reach this super Earth. Our current technology is nowhere near capable of achieving such speeds. So, for now, Kepler 442b remains a distant dream. Yet the challenges posed by distance shouldn't dampen our enthusiasm. Instead, they should spur us on to greater innovation. After all, the space race of the 20th century was born out of a desire to overcome the seemingly insurmountable obstacles of space travel. Who knows what the future may hold? Kepler 442b, a distant yet potentially habitable world, completes our cosmic trio. This super Earth, with its promise of liquid water and rocky terrain, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the possibilities of life beyond our own planet. But until we develop the technology to bridge the vast expanse of space, our best bet is to take care of the planet we call home. These planets, while fascinating, are hundreds if not thousands of years away from our reach. This statement is more than just a sobering reality check. It's a call to action. Traveling to these distant celestial bodies is a task of astronomical proportions. Even with our fastest spacecraft, it would take us tens of thousands of years to reach Proxima Centauri b, the closest of the three. To put that in perspective, that's longer than human civilization has existed. As for the others, TRAPPIST-1e and Kepler 442b, they are even further away. We're talking about journey times that span multiple millennia, even at the speed of light. This is not to mention the immense challenges of such a journey. We would need to figure out how to sustain human life in space for generations. We would need to solve problems of cosmic radiation, bone density loss, and many other health risks. We would need to find a way to carry enough supplies or develop systems to produce food, water, and air on board. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. So if reaching these planets is so daunting, what's our best bet for survival? Well, it's much closer to home. In fact, it's right under our feet. We need to focus on preserving and restoring our own planet Earth. It's the only home we've ever known, and it's perfectly tailored to our needs. The Earth provides us with everything we need to survive and thrive: clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and a climate that, while often unpredictable, is far more hospitable than the vacuum of space or the harsh environments of other planets. It's a delicate balance of conditions that took billions of years to form, and we're extraordinarily lucky to have it. We need to remember that every action we take, every decision we make, has an impact on this planet. We need to strive for sustainable living, reduce our carbon footprint, and work towards a future where we can coexist with the natural world, rather than deplete it. The quest for habitable planets continues, but our most viable home remains under our feet. Let's make every effort to save our precious Earth.